hamstrings, stiff hips, posture collapsing by noon. Let's reset what's been pulling you down. This 5-minute flow targets the forgotten muscles along your sides, the ones that quietly affect your posture, balance, and daily strength. By the end, you'll feel longer, lighter, and more in control of how your body holds itself. Start kneeling, step your right foot out wide, toes pointing forward. Right hand on your thigh. Left hand comes down to the floor or a block and reach your right arm overhead. Fingertips reaching away from the grounded knee. This stretch wakes up the forgotten part of your body, the lateral chain. Your obliques, intercostal muscles, lats, they've all been working overtime to keep you upright without ever getting love. Focus on creating a long open arc from your grounded knee to your top fingers. Breathe into that side body. Beginners, keep your hand on your thigh. Advanced stretches, reach deeper and pulse gently. Did you know that neglecting your side body can limit your forward motion too? Hold for 5 more seconds. Feel the length. Do you feel that opening under your ribs yet? If not, sink your hips just a touch deeper. Let's hit the other side. Your balance depends on it. Same setup, step your left leg out, plant your right hand, and reach left fingertips up and over. This is where most people realize, oh, I never stretched this part before. That's exactly why it matters. This move will make our next stretch hit way deeper. You'll feel, I promise. Breathe through it and lengthen. Does this side feel tighter? That's your body telling a story. Let it release. That just unlocked your ribcage. Now let's fold it forward. Stand tall, feet wide, toes slightly in. Hinge at your hips, reach for the floor or your shins, and let your head hang. Sway gently side to side, letting your spine decompress. This isn't just a hamstring stretch. It's your nervous system unwinding. Keep a micro bend in the knees. Shift weight slightly into your heels. Beginners, rest your hands on blocks or thighs. Advanced stretches, reach one hand to the opposite ankle, then switch. A flexible hamstring reduces your risk of lower back pain by nearly 50%. Hold and breathe. 5 more seconds. Still tight? Try tilting your tailbone up and feel the difference. That opened your back line. Now let's stabilize your core. From tabletop, extend your right leg back and your left arm forward. Reach long like someone's pulling you from both ends. This stretch activates your posterior chain and deep core stabilizes. Without it, flexibility means nothing. Strength makes it sustainable. Keep hips square. Don't let the back arch. Beginners, keep toes on the mat for balance. Advanced stretches, add small pulses or draw circles with your hand. This move is used in rehab and elite athlete warm-ups. Lock it in. 5 more seconds. Feel wobbly? That's your core waking up. That's progress. Now let's balance things out. Left leg back, right arm forward. This side often feels less stable. That's where the real work happens. Your coordination improves in moves like this, and that will carry into your workouts, your posture, your presence. Press your palm and heel long. Find the tension. Still struggling to balance? Squeeze your glutes. Instantly stabilizes the pelvis. We just fired up your spine. Now let's free your hips. Sit with your knees bent, feet wider than hip width. Drop your right knee in to the left foot. Then come back to center and switch sides and alternate. Slow and controlled. This isn't just mobility, it's control. This stretch exposes balances in your hips you don't even know were there. But here's the twist. This move is key to unlocking pain-free squats, lunges, and even back bends. Keep your feet planted. Don't rush. So beginners, support behind you with your hands. Advanced stretches, sit up tall and keep hands off the ground. Most people never train this angle, yet it's crucial for injury prevention. Go 5 more rounds, each slower than the last. Can you feel one hip resisting more? That's where your breakthrough is waiting. Let's finish strong, head to toe. Stand tall, exhale, and fold from the hips, letting your head hang heavy. This stretch ties everything together. From the back of your neck to your calves, it's one long line of tension, finally melting. Shift weight slightly forward. Soften the knees if needed. Let gravity work for you. Beginners, hands to shins or use a chair. Advanced stretches, toe sweeps or grab opposite elbows. This isn't just hamstring stretch. It decompresses your spine and calms your nervous system. Here's a little challenge. Stay for 5 more seconds. Each exhale, let go. Feel longer than when you started? That's your fascia releasing. That's it. You didn't just stretch, you reconnected. You moved with intention. You created space where there was tension. You gave your body the breath it was craving. But if you spend hours at a desk, that reconnection won't hold on its own. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free plan to keep your body pain-free, aligned, and fully supported all day long. Click the link now before your body slips back into stress mode. You're in rhythm now. Let's keep it going together.